Sign into your OCI account. Navigate to the menu and click on Oracle Database. Select Autonomous Database. In the Autonomous Database tab, select the compartment where you want your ADB to be located and click on Create Autonomous Database. Give your Autonomous Database a name and select which work type you want. Create a password for your admin user and ensure that it meets the requirements highlighted in red. You can leave everything else as default or make any necessary changes. And finally, click on Create an Autonomous Database. The database will take a few minutes to turn from provisioning, that is the yellow state, to available, the green state. Now that it's available, we will create a graph user. Click on Database Actions. Scroll down to Administration and select Database Users. This will take you to a page showing all of the users. Click on Create User. Give your user a name and a password. Select the quota of the table space data to unlimited and enable graph and web access. Finally, click Create a User. You can also create a user using SQL Developer. Now that we're done creating our graph user, let's go back to our database and click on Tools. Click on Open Graph Studio and sign in using your graph user credentials. Congratulations, you've signed in into Graph Studio.